Hey guys, it's John with Michigan Adventure Life. We're going to do some fishing here at one of our Dodge parks. We're here on Cass Lake. We got the lake behind me here. It's a pretty nice lake, pretty big. It's got a nice little car park area. Got some docks. We're probably going to go to the dock over yonder. I don't know if you can see, but we got my tackle box in here. That's all I need. Got that wacky rig. We'll see how she holds up. Alright guys, this is my wacky rig. I'm going to attach it with a swivel head, and this is what I'm told is going to catch me all the fish. Alright, I don't know if you got... Oh, we lost it. About our third or fourth throw out there, and we caught some seaweed. So far that's about it. We'll keep casting, keep reeling it in, see what we can get. It's a beautiful day out here, just happy to be out, you know, enjoying the weather. We unsuccessful, to say the least. A couple bites, I think. I blame the boat traffic. Clearly it can't be my fault, or the fact that I don't know what I'm doing. So it's got to be the boats. Just had to re-tie our knot because we ran into a knot. Whoop! A knot on the fishing pole. So let's try it again. Look at that. Great day. And just like that, I don't know if you can tell, but there's nothing on the end of my string. Alright, got the new swivel on there. Hopefully my fisherman knot on this one's a little better. We got this old janky guy on here. I don't know if you can see him too well. Here we go. I know that the water's a little more green here, so this is really the greenest lure I got. The wacky rig wasn't really holding up. We'll see if we can catch anything. All right, so far no success. And you know, let's be honest, it's not because I'm a bad fisherman. It's clearly the lake, you know, combination of the fish just not being hungry right now, and all the boats, because can't be my fault, you know. But we're gonna try a new spot. Nice little dock. We'll see how it works out. Got our new spot here, just a little ways from where we were down there. Nice and open. We'll see what we can do. So no success further down the path, so we just kept moving. Hopefully this new place that we found, or that I found, it's going to be more plentiful of fish for me. It's got a little picnic table here right by the shore. I'll pop a squat, take a load off, try to fish again. We're back at the Jeep, didn't catch anything today. Maybe we'll go out again tomorrow. Eventually we got to catch something, right? Keep trying, keep learning new things, we'll figure it out. Thanks for watching, guys.